Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the spokesperson for MCP informed this August House that government's freeze on recruitment and promotion will cripple public service delivery. I would like to differ on that allegation. Because I think the freeze in the promotion and recruitment is temporary and is intended to curb careless and unplanned recruitments. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, Second Deputy Speaker, I would like to bring to your attention the fact that from April to September 2025, I repeat, from April to September 2025, that's in 6 months, the Malawi Congress Party government recruited 33,000 officers and promoted 31,953 without corresponding resources in the budget. In addition, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, many officers were recruited on contract basis. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, many officers were recruited on contract basis, irrespective of grades in various MDAs. This is clear evidence of irresponsible public finance management. Madam Second